In front of me is OPPO Pad 5, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. First of all, launch Settings and scroll to click on this section called Safety and Emergency. Now click on Emergency Contacts. And before doing anything, this is very important, make sure to click on Change Settings and check if this option called Show When Locked is enabled. Without it, your emergency contacts won't be accessible from locked screen. So with this option on, you can go back and safely add your emergency numbers. Click on Add Contact, click on the one you wish to add, and do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. Now, to delete any of them or move it around, just use those three dots next to it. Then tap on Move Up, Move Down, or Remove. In case of remove, you need to confirm your choice in the pop-up. Don't worry, this contact won't be deleted from your device, only from emergency contact list. So now let's check out if it worked. When I switch off my screen, turn it back on, swipe up and click on Emergency Call, I can hold this blue icon and swipe it to the right to check out my emergency numbers. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!